Hi everybody, Ms. KO here. In the previous two videos, I showed you how to locate the Notability app, how to organize your Notability notebook, and how to import a document into Notability from Canvas on the web, specifically PDF documents. And I also showed you how to start filling them out. Since then, I've completed this worksheet, and now I'm going to show you how to save it to your iPad and how to submit it. So the first thing you need to do is save it to your iPad. So what I'm going to do is press the share button, which is this box with the arrow in the upper left corner. It's going to give me lots of options, and I'm going to select other apps. I'm going to make sure that it's in the format I want. In this case, it's a PDF. I want all the pages. I don't need it to look like anything special, and I don't even really want the page margins just because that's too messy. I'm going to press Share Note, and when I do, I'm going to see all of these applications, but I don't want any of those. Instead, I'm going to select Save to Files. Now, a lot of the time you'll have iCloud Drive, On My iPad, or Google Drive selected. In this case, I want you to select On My iPad. There might be other times where you want to do Google Drive, but in this case, you're going to do On My iPad. And just to keep things organized, I'm going to add a folder, and the way that you do that is you have up in the corner of this box, there is an icon that looks like a folder with a plus sign. You're going to select that, and you're going to type something like Notability Worksheets. Now, you don't have to call this folder that, but that would be the easiest way to do it, just to keep it organized. So you select Done, and now you have a folder called Notability Worksheets. Once you have that folder, you're going to select Save. Now the worksheet is saved to my iPad. So the next step is to submit this assignment to Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the assignment where I got the worksheet in the first place. Let me go back really quickly so I can show you how I got to this page. So the assignment in this case is the Exit Ticket Your Story arc. This is where I got that worksheet, and now I'm going to submit it. So I'll press Submit Assignment, and I'm going to have a few different options here. In this case, because I completed the document and I saved it to my iPad, I'm going to select Choose File, and I'm going to select Browse. Sometimes it will automatically bring you to your iCloud Drive. You don't want that. So if you're there, you're going to select Location. You're going to select On My iPad, and look, that folder that you just made, the Notability Worksheets folder, is there. You're going to select that, and you can see the worksheet right here. You select that, and then you press Submit Assignment. And now you can see that I already submitted it because it says Resubmit Assignment. And I can always check by scrolling down and looking to see that it has been submitted. So that's how you save a Notability file to your iPad and submit that file to the Canvas web page from the iPad.